The Philippines in the 1940s. Life after the war.
Part 23. Coco Theater at Calle and Loa Gay, now Juan Luna Street. Binondo, Manila, July 29, 1945. The Palo Cathedral, Leyte, post-war 1945. Liberated POWs stand in line to sign up for temporary living quarters in the cleaned, fumigated, and refurbished Bilibid Prison, 1945. Rizal Avenue in Manila after World War II, capturing the early stages of post-war recovery. The San Agustin Church, Baliwag, Bulacan, March 1945. Chaotic traffic in Manila, specifically on Quezon Boulevard, May 1945. A helicopter rescue from the Sierra Madre Mountains, April 7, 1947. The Legazpi Monument outside the walls of South Intramuros, after the Battle for Manila, 1945. Little Rosie's Liquor Store, after the war, 1945. Street scene in Avenida, post-World War II. Taft Avenue in Manila, looking north towards Lawton, after the liberation of Manila in 1945. The Insular Ice Plant in Manila, after the war, 1945. Sinoro, post-World War II, 1945. A plane dropping supplies in Luzon, April 1947. Interior of the Quiapo Church, post-war, 1945. Manila Central Post Office, during Philippine independence, June 1945. Philippine Independence Day, Department of Public Works and Communications float, July 4, 1946. The Astor Theater located at Plaza Santa Cruz in Manila, post-World War II.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.